Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make tacos. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need tortillas, choice of meat, and toppings. For this particular one, I'm going to put cilantro and onions. So yeah, just toss the tortillas into the flat grill.
Darle vuelta con la otra, no tan fresca.
Yeah, now you just wait till they cook. Alright, now that the tortillas are cooked well, just toss them into a plate. And there you go.
So, what delicious meat we got here.
We got different meat options right here. We got steak, carnitas, chicken, and so on. Al pastor. For this one, I'm gonna put steak. And yeah, it's already cooked. To cook it, you just toss like the meat into the grill, and then just wait like a few minutes, and then flip it. Just basically like a burger patty, and I'm gonna have it. And here's the grill where you like cook the meat. Alright. You can choose any topping you'd like, from cilantro, onion, cabbage.
Le das un bite a uno.
And there you go. Ay, papa! You have some taquitos right here. Alright, let's try them out. Perfection. Made over here at Los Pelicanos. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.